Hi everyone, this is Andrew from Supermicro, and I'm pleased to visit the DDN AI on Wheels experience. I'm here with Michelle.
Hi, Michelle here from DDN, and by the way, this is the DDN Supermicro in NVIDIA experience. This is an entire ecosystem execution of the AI Factory and our Hyperpod, which is making AI Factory real for business outcomes and breakthroughs. Let's take a tour.
Sure, I'll follow you around.
All right, awesome. So as you can see over here, we have all of our interactive demos. All of these demos have been pre-configured with AI pipelines to run on our Supermicro DDN Hyperpod, which is a turnkey inferencing platform that is built for any size for AI. It's pre-configured and validated with NVIDIA AI DP, so you can turn it on and go immediately. So as you can see, people are loving this, they're interacting, and everybody is super excited about our opportunity to help make AI real and actionable. Over here, I know it's pretty crowded, but that just shows how awesome it is. This is our cloud station. One of the things that everybody is excited about is that DDN and our AI data platform allows you to really access data no matter where it lives, whether it's on-prem with us at Supermicro or if it's in the cloud. In fact, we power some of the world's largest AI clouds and NVIDIA-powered clouds, including Google, CoreWeave, Lambda, Vultr, and many, many more, with Supermicro as well.
Awesome.
So this really helps people explore and select their clouds. And as you can see, everybody can go here and choose what they're looking to do. And it's going to recommend a set of pre-configured options for each person. So this is really a hands-on immersive experience to help people get on AI faster.
That's so cool.
Well, this is the show. This is the star of the show. Come on, follow me. So this is Thomas. Thomas is a Supermicro well, what do we call you? An engineer?
I'm freak.
So Thomas is one of our experts, and he's going to show you really what we built here together with our racked and stacked solution for AI. So Thomas, can you take us on a quick tour?
Absolutely. I can take you on a quick tour here. Yeah. So what we're trying to do here is to make an AI factory real. What is it? Why do you need it? What does it do? What does it look like? So the idea is that we can show people what goes into an AI factory. What are the components? What are people using it for? What kind of workloads do you need? So compute units, networking, intelligent data platform from DDN, and then the software that binds it all together. So that's what you have. That's what we call an AI factory. It's just a made-up word, but it actually is a good way to explain what's happening. You take power and data in, and intelligence is created, and that's where the token comes in. So the intelligence is what comes out of your factory, and that's the value that's generated by an AI factory. And that's what we're trying to illustrate with this. Not only what it does, but also what kind of workloads can you run on this. So some of the more popular ones are, of course, enterprise RAG, but also reasoning and physical AI, agentic AI. That's very popular now with the whole open core movement, but also, reasoning AI. So all these workloads can cover different segments and different markets. Physical AI is how we interact with the real world, just like the robot over in the corner. For the reasoning AIs, where you have more intelligent systems, like for medical or for finance industries. And then we have the enterprise RAG, which most companies want today, where you can find the documents, the information you need in a secure way without creating, false and fake results. And the last one here, the popular one, is agentic AI. So that's where a lot of the newer systems are created. So the whole open floor movement is based on agentic AI, and very, very popular with production, process, healthcare, and finance industries. So that's a little quick tour of the AI factories.
Awesome.
Thomas.
Thank you, Thomas. That was awesome.
Great.
All right. So let's go this way.
Maybe we can check out the physical AI?
Yeah, physical AI. Listen, when you have an AI factory, this is what's possible. You can really virtualize any environment, especially with robotics and Omniverse. In this case here, we actually have people building robotics in the Omniverse, and we just put a simple game together just so you can see how you can test in the Omniverse so that then you can deploy in a real factory with robotics. So that really decouples the risk and allows you to work out all those kinks. In this scenario, they're playing a game where you're training the robot. So you do all of your training in the virtual world so that then it can go into the physical environment. And again, that's where you can reduce cost and risk. So this is just a really great opportunity for people to interact and see the art of possible when you have the power of AI Factory. All right, now let's go see Ameka, our humanoid robot. So this is Engineered Arts, and they are one of our sponsors here. And they had Ameka. I'm gonna let Leo tell you a little bit about Ameka.
Hi there. So we're Engineered Arts. We build social robots like Ameka. Our focus is always on human interaction. Let's get started. So we're not really competing with groups like, say, Figure or Tesla on their robots. Our robots are all around making sure that people feel good when they talk to them. So real-world applications for Ameka are things like reception work for live and high-tech firms. You can integrate through MCP to your backend, so like Slack, Google Calendar, Microsoft, that sort of stuff. And then education is another one of our cornerstones. We're actually live in San Diego, acting as a co-teacher with human teachers in a charter school system. Finally, entertainment, pretty obvious. It can be in a museum, theme park, talk to people, engage with people. Basically anything where communication is a focus and priority.
Thank you, Leo.
No worries.
All right, well, wait, don't you want to interact with Ameka? I mean, that's what we're here for, right?
Why not? Here.
That's right.
Hey, Ameka, can you go ahead and introduce yourself to Andrew and Michelle from Supermicro, please?
Hey, Andrew and Michelle from Supermicro. I'm Ameka, here to engage, entertain, and add a little spark to your day. What exciting things are happening in your world?
Actually, can you tell them what you see right now, but do it in the voice of Sir David Attenborough, like he's narrating a nature documentary?
Let me think.
I see. Observe the majestic scene before us. Here, in the heart of the DDN buzz, we find a gathering of the Homo sapiens technologicus. Notice their distinct plumage, lanyards, a clear sign of their natural habitat. The tech conference. To the left, one individual dons distinctive eyewear, seemingly observing its surroundings with curiosity. Meanwhile, another stands poised, exuding an air of business acumen, perhaps seeking the elusive ROI in its natural environment. Each participant is engaged in a ritual of networking, a fascinating and complex behavior crucial for survival in this ecosystem. Truly, a remarkable spectacle of human interaction.
Hey, Ameka, go back to your normal voice, sir. So the other thing is, Emma is multilingual. That we sing to petit de peu.
Back to my usual voice. What's next on the agenda?
Easier to communicate with than a reception side, right? So, hey, Ameka, 你听得懂中文吗？你现在在哪里？就是知道的，我跟我讲一下。
Just thinking about it. Just take so much.
当然可以。我现在在美国加州圣荷西的 NVIDIA GTC 2026活动上，需要了解更多吗？
All right, finally, this show also fun. Can you show me your favorite dance to wrap things up?
Always ready for a grand finale. What's the big moment?
Yeah, show me your favorite dance to wrap things up, please.
You guys ready?
Thank you, Leo.
Spirited dance. I hope it got a smile to your face.
All right, well, that concludes our tour. I'll tell you, we also have really used this as our meeting space so that we can have business meetings. And then, come on down the ramp. And then as you can see, we have a great meeting space up at top so you can enjoy the outdoors, have a bite, have a conversation. And it's really just been a great time. I'm so glad you guys came. And thank you for your partnership with Supermicro. We are super excited to be with you guys here and to take AI Factory on the road and help customers drive amazing breakthroughs.
Thanks so much for taking me around, Michelle.
Thank you.
Supermicro has spent over 3 decades innovating in AI and green computing. achieving milestones like deploying over 100,000 liquid-cooled GPUs for large AI factories. They've expanded their high-performance storage solutions and support for the latest processors, including Intel and AMD, boosting efficiency for AI-ready data centers. Supermicro's collaborations and expansions are a testament to their growth and commitment to cutting-edge technology.